Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, taking a break from Hollywood. This is not gonna be fun. So we got this transmission fluid mess right here. It's been broken for about a year. I had the clutch replaced with a South Bend Stage 3 clutch, but when it got done, the mechanic, I guess he noticed that certain bolts and stuff were stripped out or whatever, and he just went ham on it. And I can't really fault the mechanic because he gave me such a good deal to even replace the clutch. But yeah, this is what happened. All the plastic on the outside broke into little pieces, so we got a nice brand new one here. So today we'll be installing that and a new little rubber piece for that other, the actual shaft that goes into the transmission. So I'm hoping I'm able to find a good place to put you all where you can see it. It's kind of rough in here. It's not really that big, but let's see what I can do. Maybe here on this side I'll put you all. Yeah, this is part of the reason why I haven't really been driving this truck. There we go. That's actually not bad. All right, I'm gonna leave you all here. Put it on the time lapse.
Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start. We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby,
Thank God. Oh, excuse me. I get to go to bed. After all these years. Probably been broken for definitely the better part of a few years, I would say, at this point. That's what came out. Look at all that broken crap. It was an honor. But I would like to thank you all for staying tuned, staying through the rest of the video. Stay tuned for more. Content's not stopping, YouTube. I'm gonna push through nights, days, weekends. Day content out for you. Diesel Dan Peter signing out for you.